What is the Ethereum Virtual Machine or the EVM? This is the brain of the entire operation. Let's break the name down. Virtual machine. What does that mean? A virtual machine is a simple computer inside another computer. It is a software that behaves exactly like real hardware. The EVM is the environment where every single smart contract runs on the Ethereum network. If Ethereum is the world computer, then the EVM is the processor and the operating system combined. It is the part that actually executes the code. Now here is the most important pipeline every Web3 developer must know. Solidity, compiler, bytecode, EVM. As developers, we write out smart contracts using a language called Solidity. It is a human readable and look a bit like JavaScript or C++. But the EVM cannot understand Solidity. It's too complex. So we use a compiler. The compiler converts our human readable code into something the EVM can understand. A very simple low-level language called bytecode. This bytecode is just a long string of instructions. We call them opcodes, and this is what gets stored on the blockchain. When you want to run your smart contract, the EVM loads that bytecode and executes it line by line, instruction by instruction. But why do we call it a machine? Because the EVM is a distributed state machine. That might sound complicated, but it is simple. The word state just means the current data on the blockchain. All account balances, contract variables and stored information. The EVM defines the rules for how that state can change from one block to the next. Here is the amazing part. Every single computer or node in the Ethereum network runs its own copy of the EVM. When you send transaction, all of them execute the same bytecode inside their own EVMs. Because they all follow the same rule, they all arrive at the exact same new state. This process is called deterministic execution. It is what keeps the entire world computer perfectly in sync or in consensus. The EVM is a secure, isolated sandbox for code. It ensures smart contracts run safely, predictably and equally for everyone. And that's it. The EVM is the secure, isolated brain of Ethereum. It executes bytecode compiled from our Solidity code. Now you understand the entire foundation of Web3 development. Why we need a blockchain, what runs on it, where it runs, and how it all gets executed. And with that, we are done with the theory. It's time to build.